Nothing in this recording is intended as investment advice, and the people in this recording may hold positions in the companies they talk about. Do not make any investment based solely on a tip or recommendation. Please do your own research.
Hello and welcome to Zach's Traders Cafe. Today I'm joined by Craig Foster, who is CEO at Ondo InsurTech. How are you today, Craig?
I'm very good, thank you, Zach. How are you?
Very well. I suppose we are speaking in the aftermath of yesterday's RNS, which underlines how sometimes for small caps or for small companies, sometimes you have to be prepared for demand, and this is exactly what you're doing, especially in terms of the US and the factory capacity that you've increased over the near term.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So we announced yesterday we've made a small capital investment in our UK facility at Asteelflash in Bedford, which originally we had a run rate capacity of up to 10,000. We're basically going to double the manufacturing lines, and we found some efficiency, so we can increase all the way to the new headroom is 40,000 units per month. And it's really comes in anticipation of some of the work we've been doing, the foundation that we've laid in the last year in the United States, and the deals that we've got that we'll announce in the near term is really the driver for this.
And is this a case of ramping up capacity in anticipation of orders, or is it actually to service the orders you already have?
Yeah, so I mean the context for this is for anyone that's new to the story is Ondo have a water damage prevention system that's designed for home insurers to prevent water damage claims. So water damage claims are one of the biggest claims in household insurance. It's about 30% of all of the claims paid out. And we've got a solution called LeakBot that's been designed to prevent those claims. So the solution's already in well over 100,000 homes today. We already work with 19 different insurers. But what we've been trying to do for the past year, Zach, is try and crack the United States. So in the last year, we've signed 5 US partners, one of which who is nationwide, one of the largest insurers in the United States. We've launched into 4 US states, and we've completed the first phase partner reviews with all of them, and all the while talking to some new prospects in the mix. So the reason why we've done this now is what we've also announced is we're in late stage discussions with a number of large US insurance companies regarding new contracts, new partners, but also significant expansions with existing partners. And I'm at a late stage in negotiations with those deals, and we anticipate being able to announce the details of those fairly soon. So that's really, I think once we reveal more of the details, it will clearly demonstrate why now was the right time for this investment. The opportunity in the United States is huge. So there's if you take the top 100 insurance companies in the US, they cover 100 million homes, and the top 10 cover 70 million of those homes. And like I said, water damage, just fixing damage caused by leaks on the normal freshwater plumbing, accounts for about 30% of all of the claims paid out. So those top 100 insurers pay out $20 billion a year in water damage claims. Now we've got our system that's proven to reduce them by 40%. And now in the US, we can show we've got an 82 net promoter score, a 4.9 out of 5 customer satisfaction score, and we can quickly demonstrate that return on investment. And we don't really have any direct competition. So the goal is to establish ourselves really as an industry standard solution in the US market. And I think we've laid the foundation for that in the past year. And with the upcoming news, I think we're well on our way to be able to establish ourselves in that position in the coming year and see what follows that from there.
Well, the share price of Ondo is up nearly 50% in recent days. Presumably, the market likes the combination of increased capacity with the prospect of and the ability to deliver on the US rollout. Does this mean that we are at a major turning point for Ondo at the moment?
I mean, the US opportunity is by far the biggest opportunity anywhere in the world for the company. It's not just that the US is a big market, Zach. It's that the unit economics of our solution works so well in the US. Americans pay much more for their home insurance than we do. So in the UK, the average amount we're paying for home insurance is just somewhere over £300. In the United States, the average policy premium for home insurance is $1,400. So it's a much more expensive product. But what that means for us is insurers pay out so much on water damage claims that our solution works on a mass market basis, delivering a clear return on investment in the first year. So if we can just execute immediately on the pipeline that we've got in front of us on these the existing partnerships and the new ones that are coming, we'll be well on our way. And I think we've been laying the foundation for this for a while, and the share price has been flat for quite a while. But I think basically investors are just starting to wake up to that fact that of the massive opportunity and the demonstrable progress that we've made in cracking the US market.
Well, we look forward to more progress. In the meantime, Craig Foster, CEO at Ondo, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks, Zach.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.